Appsbd proudly presents its exciting new website, Dealbaz.com. This platform offers several methods to showcase your deals effectively. When you submit a deal, it not only appears on Dealbaz but also gets featured on the Appsbd blog, Empalo and other associated websites. To add product, visit submit.dealbaz.com. Now, let's walk you through the process of uploading your products to boost your earnings. I will demonstrate how to add products on these sites. If you're a new user, the first step is to create an account. To do this, simply click on the Register. Since I'm already a registered user, I am logged in using my email and password. After login, we can see a deal that created previously. Now I will add a new deal. So click on the plus icon button on the bottom right side. Here we have to complete 3 steps. Step 1 is basic info. Here we have to give some information. On the product name field we give Vitpos. On the product link we give the link that we have. Then select the categories and types. Then choose the banner image. Then give a short description. Then click on Next. Step 2 is coupon info. Here we have to give a redeem link, then select the deal expiry date. On coupon code, we recommended to use Dealbaz as a coupon code. So we give here Dealbaz. Then you have to give deal percentage, we give here 30%. Then give the regular price. The regular price represents the original price of the product without any discounts applied. We give 100 here. In the deal price field, here we give 70. Deal price refers to the final cost after applying this discount, and here we apply a 30% discount from the regular price. But if you already have a deal, then you can choose another option to deal. When you select the deal option, you have to give a deal link here and then deal expiry date. Then give the price as I showed it on coupon. As I want to give a coupon, so select here coupon and then click on Next. Step 3 is affiliate info. Here you have to select the affiliation. Here you see that previously select yes, but if you select no, then it shows a warning message. Dealbaz highly recommends implementing an affiliate system, as we tend to give preference to products that provide affiliate programs. We select here yes. Then on registration link we give submit.dealbaz.com. On affiliate percentage, we have to select the percentage we want to give to Dealbaz. Mind it, if you give high value, then your product shows on the top of the websites and blog. Next, you have to select Allow Us Publish On. Here you can choose 3 options as you want. You can select Appsbd blog, Dealbaz.com and Empalo.com. We select here Appsbd blog and Dealbaz.com. Now if you want to send us any message, then you have to write on your message field. Then click on Finish. We can see the successful message. After closing it, we can see the new deal ad on the dashboard. Here if you want to update, then click on Edit button. After modification, you can again finish the process and see that it will update successfully. Also you can delete, then click on Delete button. Click on it, then submit the delete reason and select message, then click on Submit. We can see that it was deleted successfully. That's all about Submit Deal on Dealbaz.